lavender, yes. Yes, yes. I will have you. Onion flowers. Yes, I could use some onion flowers. Woo! What can I use in here? What can I use? What can I use? What can I use? Ah! You're mine. You're over the fence. You're definitely mine. All mine. I wish you were my tree. But you're over. You're over. You're on the property. I can have a little bit of you. Yes. Yes. I haven't eaten you, but I shall destroy you. Looky, 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 looky. We dry. We've been drying all day. All day, all day. I'm an elf. Look it. I told you I could find things in the garage. I use this to tie up tomatoes. I tore up a wreath from my brother's ex-wife's wreath that she made me. Yes. Yes. I can't show you how I did this, but I did it with the twine I showed you. You kind of like gotta fill in all of the rings. Fill in the ring, the whole ring. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 rings. 4 rings. Okay. Okay, so these onion flowers, they can, like, they're like, the stick is like really, sticky. So I think I can just shove them in. I can shove them in. My husband's worried that the wind might get them, but I think it might work. Is this Queen Anne's lace? Christ, no. This is definitely onion seed. I got it from my garden. Look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's not dill. It's not Queen Anne's lace. It's not hemlock. So, like the little seeds, they are in the flowers and you just shake them and this is what you're left with. So when you do this and you start putting things in that are alive, you have to understand that this is all a part of letting go. Like, it's not going to last forever. So like, hold on, let me try and do this with the phone. Forever is not a thing. When it comes to nature, nothing lasts forever. It just doesn't. I apologize. And I'm really sorry. I'm just holding, like, see that? See, like, I try to do that with one hand. I can't do it with one hand. None of this is gonna last. We can keep the wire, but everything else is just not gonna last. They're kind of looking ready. It's been on 200 since maybe 1 o'clock. Are they ready? I'm gonna give it another hour. Perfect. So my oranges came out and now I'm just trying to imagine where they would all go. And I'm thinking like, meh. And so this is what I got. I love it. Yeah, totally.